Hi everyone, this is Brad. Today we're taking a look at Diffit for teachers, where as a teacher, you can get resources on any topic or lesson, adapt any existing materials for any reader, and export and share as student activities. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead into this article about George Washington from the history, from history.com, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to change it to a 4th grade level, and we're just going to select generate resources, and you can see how fast this does go through. Please note, as the date of this, December 12th, 2023, this is available until the end of January. All these resources are available if you do sign up. If you sign up after that, the resources are available for about 30 days, and then there is going to be a free version, but then also pricing. You can go ahead and right up in here, and you can find information by selecting the Learn More. But I want to show you what this can do. You can translate this as well to other languages, which is really helpful. But you can see the adapted reading passage, a summary, key vocab terms, multiple choice questions, short answer, and open-ended prompts. And of course, you can go ahead in and edit. You can go ahead and add some more if you want using AI. Now, we're going to go ahead and export and share. And when you select export and share, you can see all these possibilities that are available for you. You can scroll through and see all of them. What I'm going to do right now, though, is I'm going to do a little collaborative partner work. I'm just going to go ahead and select it and select open with slides. Now it will generate the slides, and then once it's done generating the slides, you can see you could share it with Google Classroom, or you could go ahead and print it out or take a look at the slides that you'd like to. Okay, so you can see right in here there are more export options as well, but we're going to go ahead and open up the slides. I'll show you what it looks like in a slideshow. So you can go ahead through and you can see the vocab, read and take notes, partner share, multiple choice questions. What does partner A, what does partner B think? What's the correct answer? Short answer questions, open-ended, and then additional engagement, the turn and talk. So pretty amazing. If you do have any questions, please reach out. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.